You know guys, even if I drink like a fish the night before, I hardly wake up with a mean headache and puffy eyes. Now, all of you might be thinking that I'm lying, but I'm not. I have a couple of secrets that I'm going to share with you all today so you guys can party like anything without worrying about a hangover. Today, in Men Must Haves, I'm going to share some effective hangover cure products to save you from turning your night's fun into your next morning's nightmare. You know, when I got hungover for the first time, my friend made me eat raw eggs. Trust me, it was the worst decision. So, a pro tip, do not eat raw eggs while hungover and definitely don't get pranked. Instead, try some of the best hangover cures that I'm going to show you today. So, the first one on our list is my favorite, the Himalayan Party Smart capsules. This is a perfect hangover prevention capsule. Guys, this Party Smart is a herbal formulation that helps you prevent a hangover. It is clinically proven, safe and effective. All you need to do is take one Party Smart capsule before consuming the first drink. Himalaya Party Smart helps prevent symptoms like headache, nausea, drowsiness, fatigue, body ache and burning sensation in the stomach. This can be purchased from your nearby chemist store. You can also place an order on their official website or Amazon. Most of my friends have tried it and it has really worked for them. This will cost you 80 rupees for a pack of 5, so it's cheap as well. The second hangover dealer is Rebound. A shot of Rebound after consuming alcohol promises a no hangover wake-up experience for you. I have tried it, so I am talking from my own experience. Prepared with all natural ingredients, Rebound has a sweet ginger punch flavor to it, giving you a refreshing experience. You know, when I researched about this, I found out that it is clinically proven. It is great in taste, a natural anti-hangover drink for relief from headaches. It is 100% safe to use and has no side effects. Rebound comes in 4 different packs, that is packs of 4, 6, 12 and 25. This will cost you around 340 rupees for a pack of 4. You can order a pack of Rebound from the official website or Amazon as well. The third way to treat a hangover is by consuming ARMR shots. ARMR is a range of anti-hangover and pro-immunity shots. Who knew that you could get the ultimate immunity boost by simply chugging a shot a day? And if you want to say goodbye to all those dreaded hangovers and wake up feeling like $1,000,000, just ARMR up before your first drink. You know, all ARMR shots have been clinically proven to be safe, healthy and effective by the Clinical Trials Registry India (CTRI). You can order these shots online from Amazon or from their very own website and are priced at 540 rupees per pack. The fourth hangover dealer on our list is Live It Up Hangover Shield. This hangover tablet alleviates indigestion, liver disorders and stomach ailments, thereby causing relief from the classic symptoms of a bad hangover. You can consume 2 Live It Up Hangover Relief pills with water and also consume them before drinking alcohol. I have tried it and tested it and it has always worked for me. A pack of 4 of these pills will cost you around 299 rupees. Once again, these pills can also be ordered online from their official website or from Amazon. Now guys, a very important thing. You do not require a doctor's prescription for consuming these pills for hangovers on a regular basis. However, if you have ever had a long-lasting chronic condition, it is best advised to consult a doctor for an individual assessment. The last hangover dealer is ginger lemon tea. If you're looking for natural remedies, then you should definitely try ginger lemon tea. You know, ginger works wonders to alleviate nausea, and lemon supports your liver, which is in overdrive trying to metabolize all that alcohol. All you need to do is boil some water and add fresh slices of ginger and the juice of half a lemon. See, all these ways to cure hangovers are great, but please make sure you never drink alcohol on an empty stomach. I always eat something before or while I am drinking, as it reduces the after effects. You know, you can also try to alternate between an alcoholic drink and a non-alcoholic beverage. This will lead to an overall reduction in the quantity of alcohol you consume. Also guys, please avoid sugary foods after or while you drink. The sweet taste makes it tough for the drinker to judge how much alcohol he or she is actually consuming. Staying hydrated is also the key. It always works. Now, I know that food is probably the last thing you want to look at while recovering, but your body needs energy. Start eating slowly with easy to digest foods such as plain toast, rice or clear soup. The morning after the alcoholic binge, I always eat an omelette with bread. Eggs provide energy to my body, build up the protein content and remove the accumulated toxins in the body. I hope these hangover cures work for you. And also, please drink responsibly. Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such content.